Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. Quick video today, and we're going to talk about questioning during a jury trial. Can an attorney just ask you a question any way they feel like it? Or is there a method to the process? All right. The short answer is yes, there is a method to it. The attorneys just can't just ask you a question however they feel like it. All right. And so to set this up, I'm going to give you just a really simple example as to how we have to do these things. In this context of birth trauma case, you have brought a claim, all right? You brought a claim against a hospital or against a doctor saying that the cause of your baby's brain injury at birth was something that the hospital either did or that they failed to do, or that the doctor did or failed to do. Okay, that is the basis of your claim. And so when you go to testify, your attorney doing what we call that's a direct examination. When your attorney is going to ask you questions, that's called direct testimony or a direct examination, I should say. I'm sorry about that. That's a direct examination. Once you get on the witness stand, the attorney has to ask you questions a certain way. And the way that we have to ask the questions is they cannot be leading questions. All right, they cannot be leading questions. We can't lead you to the answer on direct examination. Usually you're going to get open-ended questions. All right, so a quick example of that is going to be, now a foundation has already been given, and we've already asked certain foundational questions, like I said, and the question could be this: Mrs. Such and Such, do you have any children? Yes, I do. Question: how many children do you have? I have 2 children. All right. Simple. I know it's simple, but I'm going to flip it and I'm going to show you the cross-examination of that. All right. So it's going to be, the questions are going to be asked now in a leading manner, because for cross-examination, remember, they are leading. So the question could be this: Miss Such and Such, you have 2 kids, correct? The answer: yes. If you look and you break that question down, the answer is in the question. Mrs. Such and Such, you have 2 children, correct? The witness can only answer yes or no, okay? Whereas in the other question, it was, do you have any children? Yes, I do. How many children do you have? I have 2. See, so the answers are not in the question as asked. All right. So I know that was very simple. I know it was, but I'm just giving you a basic understanding of how attorneys have to ask questions when we're talking about a trial. We can't just make it up as we go along. We have to follow a certain pattern. And in some cases, what you'll have is, if you ask the questions the wrong way, you may get an objection from the other side. So the purpose of this video today is just to help you understand this process, the trial process, what goes into this, and that the attorneys are not just going to make up the questions as we go along. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law at Boston Law Group LLC here in the state of Maryland. And I'll see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.